The ATSB has issued an important safety advisory notice along with its report into a fatal helicopter accident off the coast of Port Hedland on the 14th of March 2018.
What we've found so far is that the helicopter was on approach to collect a marine pilot from a vessel at night and collided with the water. The helicopter then rolled inverted before floating for a short time before sinking. The first pilot was able to escape the wreckage, however the second pilot was unable to free himself from the wreckage prior to the helicopter sinking.
The wreckage of the helicopter was recovered from the seabed and moved to a secure storage area where it was examined by the ATSB's transport safety investigators.
Our examination of the operator's records indicate that the deceased pilot, who was new to the company, had not undertaken any helicopter underwater escape training for the past 9 years. It's vital for all pilots who undertake overwater operations to regularly conduct escape training to increase their chances of survival in an accident such as this.
Hewitt involves a replica of a helicopter cabin being lowered into a swimming pool and rolled inverted to simulate a crash situation. During the training, students practice bracing for impact, identifying primary and secondary exit points, and surfacing techniques.
In light of our initial investigation, the ATSB has contacted all helicopter operators that are involved in overwater operations to deliver a safety advisory notice. The ATSB strongly recommends that aircrew and regular passengers on these sort of operations receive training in underwater escape to increase survivability in the event of a ditching such as this one.
The preliminary report and the safety advisory notice are available on the ATSB's website.